guys, I'm hungry all day, so I'm gonna cook some of my favorite eggs. You need eggs, oil, salt, cilantro, green onion, tomato, and these. So first let's wash these. It's been so long. I picked them up. I picked these up outside in my mom's garden just now. So it's fresh, people. Fresh food. Fresh food is good. My favorite eggs. This is what I eat growing up. It's my favorite. I taught a few of family member how to do this, and not much people can do it, but a few could. It is tasty, and I can't wait to finish. Start eating these. You want to wash these pretty good because I just picked them up from outside, so there could be bugs, insects, but smells pretty nice. I love the smell of these cilantro. Okay. Alright. Let's put these away. We can reuse this later to eat. Okay, now it's time to chop. Let's just put this in for now. Well, we could put some oil in first. I'm gonna cook about probably 6 eggs, so that should be good. That should be good. I'd like to put a little bit more than I should. That goes there. Let's see. Now let's cut these into little pieces. I haven't ate all day. I was running around, working here and there. Drove my scooter to the Cynic to buy some of these. Got some of that. She likes the bubbler, sparkling water. It's the grapefruit kind. Pretty good. Tastes pretty good. Anyway, let's put these. Then I dropped off a rebate for Manar. Bought some house supply equipments to work on a project pretty soon. And then home. Guys, this is I love videotaping stuff. I take a lot of pictures growing up, videos and of events. I should have gotten to YouTube a long time ago, but I was just not that people type where I talk a lot and put myself out there. So this is just me doing what I do. Hopefully in time I will get normalized to this stuff, videos like this, and it'll be a piece of cake. Anyway, yum yum. Smells good. Tomato. Guess we could do it like that. Well, it's a little too small, but it's okay. I think that's good. Yeah, I'll do that. Make it into 4 pieces. What's happening in life, guys? Well, life is life. Sometimes you just gotta help yourself, people. Nobody's gonna help you. You gotta help yourself. And don't depend on people. Just do it yourself. Do not wait for people. That's alright. I can smell the goodness coming from these stuff. Right, may not be the best video that you see, but it is what it is, guys. That's maybe we should clean up later. Actually, you know what? Oh, when Nia does things, she likes to clean it after. I like to kind of clean it right away, but I think it's best to clean it after. So let's put this here. We're gonna turn on this, which is that one. You know what? I'll put it on low, medium, like that for now, because I need to start doing the eggs. I like to make sure my oils are pretty hot before I put the eggs in. But since I'm using those cilantro and green onion, I'm gonna put those. No, actually I put the eggs first. You can do it wherever you want, guys, but I just like to I'll probably put the eggs first, then I'll put the cilantro, tomato, stuff later. So that's that for now. That's enough eggs. Salt. I like salt. Not too much though. That should be okay. And do this. If this thing's like round, I would do this, but because it's not, I cannot do that, so I just have to do this. Let's see. This stove is electric, so it takes a little bit, so maybe I could bump it up to high. Let's see. Now we just wait for the good stuff, guys. Good stuff. We should put the fan on, but it's gonna be too noisy, so I'll wait. I like to wait till it gets really hot. See that? It's on until you hear the oil like kind of like bubbling. Well, I test it out by doing this. Just drop a few of this liquid eggs in there, and then start bubbling up. Then that's when I know it's good. But I'll wait. It's gonna be a little bit, guys, so bear with me. Let's wait a little bit. Maybe while we do that, while we wait, maybe eat an orange. Let's see that. The time now is 8:13. No one's home except for me. I've been home all day. The real estate business is a little slow during this time. This year actually. Of all my years, this is the slowest year ever that I've been in. So it's a tough time out there, guys. Everybody's losing job here and there. But I hope for the best for everybody soon. Yesterday the Fed just lowered the interest rate by 0.25%. So not bad. I mean, you can get pre-approval for a little bit more. Hopefully buyers will come up. It's getting hot. Now with the gas stove, this would have been really hot like 2 minutes ago. You know what? I'm debating, should I put that or that first? Let's see. I used to cook this every day growing up. So, usually I put that first because the tomato needs to cool, melts, like needs to cook for a bit. But you know what? So you can see that smoke. See some of the smoke? That means hot. I'm just cooking eggs right now.
I put order in for 5 chickens.
Cool. No, it don't work. No, I'll make, I'll make it. I'll make rice after I cook eggs. Okay, I gotta go. It's getting hot. Bye. Bye. Alright, so anyway, my wife at soccer with the boys. You know what? I'm gonna put this first, just cause. Well, then you got this. So let me put it. Oh, there you go. Yum yum yum. So put the tomato first because it needs to, you know, melt. But then you put the egg second, and then you put the green stuff third. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's put the egg in. And then I like to wait until it cooks really nice before I flip these over. I miss the gas stove because the gas stove cook this really fast. That makes my eggs really nice. But then since it's electric, it's slow, I kind of have to compensate and wait a little bit. But see that? Wow, interesting. Look at that. Tap it a little bit. Yeah, usually you want a fast cooking stove because that way it cooks really fast, and then you can you know, because when it's slow like this, it's not as good from my experience, but it's still doable. You know what? Let's put these in because we are going to mix it up just like that. You could turn these into an omelet if you want, but I'm not going to. See, I like to do that. I just flip it once or twice, And that's it. And we will have a good dinner. It's too slow. Come on. Too slow. You need to go a little faster. So that way, because when it's faster, then it cooks really nice. And then you can flip it like this. It's better because I kind of overcook a little bit because it's too slow. The smell of the cilantro, green onion, tomato. This is so yummy. You don't want to cook until it's really like it's well done. I like to like stop like right now. Then it's good. And then I will go get a plate. You know what? Let's get this one. And then we are all done, guys. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yummy to my tummy. Alright, see guys, that's how it looks when it's done. Yummy, hey? Yum, yum. Come and eat with me. Next time, whoever is close by and you know me, just stop by and I will make you this dish. Alright? Alright, we will clean this later after we eat because I'm hungry. So gotta eat first so you have energy to do things later. Anyway, alright. Whoa, Gatorade. You want this? Yeah. Alright. Rice. We gotta cook some rice in a bit. Yum, yum, yum. Rice cooker. This rice cooker is pretty good. Turn it off because there's no more rice. After this is all done, I will cook some rice in a bit. Alright guys, let's go eat. Yum, yum, yum. Let's go. Let's put these over here. Let's put it on YouTube or something. Alright guys. Yum, yum, yum. That's it. You guys have a good day. Stay tuned for VULKEE Arts. More videos in the future, guys. See ya.